Yes, those who have joined, you can continue with the questions. Okay, those who have joined, you can continue with your writing. So once it is over, once you finish till 10 question. Okay, once it is over, you just inform me. Then we will discuss the remaining questions.
Okay.
Your voice is not clear, Ali Hassan.
Okay.
See, have you returned till 10th question?
No, teacher, 7 number.
7 number, okay. Kedar, what about you?
Sure, I'm trying.
Okay, we'll discuss the remaining question also. Okay, is it okay for you? Then I will give you
Yes.
time to complete the questions. Okay, so the 11th question about dash of the earth's surface is covered by land, while about dash is covered with water. So about how much part of the earth is covered by land?
Sir, 1/4.
Yes, 1/3, 1/3. Okay, 1/3 of the earth's surface is covered by land, while and water
3.4.
or 2/3. Which is the correct answer?
Sir,
Is it
3/4, na?
about 1/3 of the earth's surface is covered by land? And what about water? What about water?
Sir, 3/4.
3 upon
Sir, 4. Sir, 2/3.
Are you sure?
Sir, 3/4.
3 upon 4.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
That 2/3.
See, I can hear so many answers. Just open your textbook and find out.
That 2/3.
2 upon,
Or land 1/3.
so it is 2 upon 3. Is it correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So 2 by 3rd. Is my screen visible?
No, teacher.
Now is it visible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So about 1/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by land, and while about 2 by 3rd of Earth is covered with water. Okay. Now 12th question. The envelope of air around the Earth is called the dash. The envelope of air around the Earth is called the dash. The envelope of air which surround the Earth is called yes, Kedar or Ali Hassan, tell me. The envelope of air around the Earth is called the dash. Any idea? Any guess?
No, teacher.
No? Why no? See, we have learnt about different spheres. Can you tell me the different spheres?
Teacher, hydrosphere, lithosphere,
And
atmosphere.
atmosphere. Okay. So in this sphere, in which sphere air is present?
Teacher, atmosphere.
Okay. So then the answer for this question, the envelope of air around the Earth is called?
Atmosphere.
Yes. Suddenly don't jump into a conclusion. You had to think. Okay. So the answer is atmosphere. Okay. Now, next question. There are huge blocks of ice floating in the sea. They are known as?
The ice storm.
Ice?
Storm.
Not ice storm. Ice is correct. After ice, what is there? After ice?
The floating ice.
So there is a specific term for that. The ice which float in the sea. Do you remember you told me you have seen in the movie Titanic? So what is the correct term for that? For the floating ice? Try to recollect. Have you heard iceberg? Is it correct? Iceberg?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So iceberg are huge blocks which float on the sea. Icebergs are the huge blocks of ice float in the sea. Okay. Now last question. The dash spreads in all the other three spheres. The dash spreads in all the other three spheres.
Air.
No.
The microorganisms.
Yes, so microorganisms, where in which sphere we can see this microorganism? In which sphere we can see microorganism?
The three spheres. Atmosphere, lithosphere,
See,
hydrosphere.
microorganism is what kind of organism?
The micro.
See, is it living organism or non-living organism?
Living organisms.
Okay, so all these living organisms are present in which sphere? Which sphere contain all the living organisms? Come on. We have already discussed one question related to this. Yes, come on, Kedar Ali Hassan. All the living organisms, they are included in which sphere? Where we can, in which sphere we can see?
The biosphere.
Biosphere. Okay. So now listen to the question. The dash spreads in all other three spheres. So the answer is? Answer is?
Microorganism.
No. How again microorganism? They are asking about the sphere which spread in all the other three spheres. So the answer is? Why confusion? See, we have studied about 4 different spheres. Which are they? Yes, Kedar, which are they? So the answer is biosphere. Biosphere spreads in all the other spheres. Okay. Biosphere spreads in all the other spheres. So biosphere is a sphere which includes all the living organisms. Clear? So 14 questions are there. You need to write it in your notebook. Ali Hassan has left the class. So any doubt in these questions? Okay, I will give you one more question. Write the 15th question. Zebras are found in dash. Ali Hassan, are you facing network issue?
Yes.
Okay. So the last question, zebras are found in dash. Where we can see zebras? Yes, very good. We can see zebras in Africa. Okay. Now, next question. Kangaroos are found in dash.
Australia.
Yes, kangaroos. We can see kangaroos in Australia. Okay. Kangaroos are found in Australia. Okay, so all these questions you have to note down in your notebook. Today itself you should send the photograph. You have to click the photo, you have to click the image and send me on WhatsApp. Clear? I will be sending it to you personally.
Yes.
Okay, and tell me next class which lesson you need me to teach, or we will do revision only. Think and tell me, just put a message to me. Next class, what you need me to teach.
Yes.
Okay, think and tell me. Okay, okay, then bye.
Bye bye.